and welcome to this QuizBoot tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the rich text editor on QuizBoot. So, for your quizzes, you may have other like questions. You want to go do some text. So, your questions are not just text. Questions and answers are not just text. You can include images, include italics, include bolding, figures, and stuff like that. So, let's just get started. Go to create a quiz. So I will create a new quiz. So I would make it private. So I would say my rich text. So you can make it public or private depending on what you want. So my rich text quiz. My rich text quiz, and then I will leave these settings the way they are because that's not the main purpose of this video. So I'll save and continue. Then this is where to add questions, add the question manually, and then let's start with the true or false. Okay, then let's type the question. These two words mean the same, and I'll put a column. I'll put schooling, and then I'll put education. So this section might not look the same way as others, but if you do this and can make it bold, and you can make this one highlighted and that color, so can you see highlighted and that color and stuff like that. So you can basically just do it like that. I can also still make it bold. You can make it see bold. You can make it italic, underline it, and stuff like that. See one strike through it. So everything is there. But just keep it simple. I'll just make it bold and italics. Yeah. So that's that. So you can also make it. I'm just make it bold and underlined. So you can, for emphasis on your questions, you can do this. I would say for me, I'll say false, and then that's one part. Then I'll go to add a new question. I'll show you more other ways you can use a text editor. So I'll do a multiple choice question this time, and this question will be a mathematics question. So I would say solve the equation, and then instead of me just typing x square, I will use the can you see the math, this equation part, this formula something, just click it, and then you have to type in a math block. So I'll put x, and I'll put caret 2, so a caret, that's x square plus 2x, and you see it changes, plus 1 equals, let's say, 0, basically. So that is the question. And then for this, I'll say maybe x equals to 1, x equals to minus 1. So I can add it. If I add it in I can add it in a math format. I'll add it in a math format, so you can see if I add it as a text, add it as a math format. Can you see x equals to minus 1? I'll add a 1. X greater than, okay, then back to the math. Okay, also, so x greater than or equal to 0. So and see it right there, and then I'll put add one more option. I'll say x equals to 1. Let me just select x equals to this. I think this is the answer. If I'm right, I'll select the answer. So I'll say add the math block also. I can add it normally, but it shows well in the math block. So x equals to a or something like that. So let me add another option. Let me see. So then that math. Alright, so I just copied the square root something I pasted from online, and I would say 2x plus 1 basically, 2x plus 1. So this is it. So you just copy the square root and paste from one line and to show very well here. So that's that. Let's add one more question for this text editor. Add one more question, and that will be an essay question. Let's a simple essay question, just a fill in the gap, a written answer questions. So I would say identify. Let's say identify the objects in this picture. So I will go ahead and copy a picture from my laptop and paste it here. Yeah, so I just copied a picture from my laptop and I'll just press Ctrl V. So it will paste there, and I think it's loading. So you can just insert image. You can insert image from here. Insert image from here, and it takes you to your laptop to select the image. Or you can also copy and paste an image there directly. And the same thing you can do for your answers also. But I will just put yeah. I will just put here as the answer. Me like that. So that's my own answer. That's just how to add images and everything. You can highlight it. You can add a numbered list also. Let's say I put number 1 color 2 type. So you can add a numbered list also. Basically, you have to type whatever you would like to type. So if you are writing code base also, let me just remove this now. So if I'm typing a code base, I will just put let's say print f hello. So basically that's how to just use this. The barcode, the divider, the horizontal line, that is horizontal line and stuff like that. So a lot that you can do with this text editor, and it shows exactly that same way when you publish your quiz. So maybe just check it out. I'm publishing my quiz already. It should take me to my quiz. So let me just start the quiz. I don't have to record the attempts, and I will just click continue. Yeah, so you can see my quiz right here. So picture added, and I can see the code, everything. So let me just put the questions in one place. The code, can you see the highlights, the colors, and the equations? Look at the answers and stuff like that. So that's basically how to go about creating using the text editor for whatever you want to use it for on QuizBoot. Thank you.